all who are watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the pair of straight lines eamcet problems, and this is the video number 7. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming eamcet examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the sums, okay. And in the description I am giving the link of the pair of straight lines practice PDF. So all of you, after watching the video, once open the description and watch the PDF and solve those questions also. Those are also very important problems. Okay, let us start the class. This is sum number 52. The question is, the lines represented by the equation ax square plus 4xy plus y square plus 8x plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 intersects on the y-axis, then what are the values of f comma c? So here one equation is given. The lines are intersecting on the y-axis. Now what is f comma c? That is a given question. So the lines intersects on the y-axis means y-intercept is equal to 0. What is y-intercept formula? 2 root f square minus bc by mod b is equal to 0. The lines intersects on the y-axis means y-intercept is equal to 0. So this value is equal to 0. Now equating this value to 0, then we get the condition f square is equal to bc. Okay, squaring on both sides, then we get f square is equal to bc. What is f value here? F is equal to f. That is f square is equal to, what is bc? B is equal to 1, c is equal to c. That is f square is equal to c. By replacing the values, we get this condition. And also intersects on the y-axis means in the point of intersection x coordinate is equal to 0. What is the point of intersection of the lines represented by the pair of straight line? What is the point of intersection? hf minus bg by ab minus h square comma gh minus af by ab minus h square. This is the point of intersection of the lines. The lines intersect on the y-axis, that is x coordinate is equal to 0. This value is equal to 0. This value is equal to 0. Now taking the cross product, then we get hf is equal to bg. Okay. Now replacing the values. H is equal to 2. 2h is equal to 4. H is equal to 2. F is equals to f. bg. B is equal to 1 and g is equal to 4. 2g is equal to 8 here. Then g is equal to 4. Therefore the value of f is equal to 2. F is equal to 2, then what is c value? C is equal to f square, that is c is equal to 4. Therefore the values of f comma c is equal to 2 comma 4. Intersects on the y-axis means we take that y-intercept is equal to 0. Intersects on the y-axis means x coordinate in the point of intersection is equal to 0. By using these two conditions, we can take the values of the f comma c. Okay, and this is the first option. That's all. Next problem, sum number 53. If the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 intersects on the y-axis, then what is the condition? So intersect on the y-axis. The pair of lines, given that the equation represents the pair of lines. Now what is the condition for this equation is to represent a pair of straight lines. ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. This is the condition for the equation is to represent a pair of straight lines. Okay. And what is given? The lines intersects on the y-axis. The lines intersects on the y-axis means y-intercept is equal to 0. This is the y-intercept. Now taking the simplification, we get the condition f square is equal to bc. Okay. Y-intercept is equal to 0 means f square is equal to bc. Now replacing this value in the above condition, that is abc plus 2fgh minus af square. Again f square is equal to bc. Minus abc minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. Here abc and abc gets cancelled. So the required condition is 2fgh is equal to bg square plus ch square. That's all. And which is the first option. Next question, sum number 54. The perpendicular distance from the point of intersection of the pair of lines x square plus 2xy minus 35y square minus 4x plus 44y minus 12 is equal to 0 from the line 5x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. We want the perpendicular distance. Okay, we want the perpendicular distance from the point of intersection of the lines to these lines. So for that, first we want the point of intersection. How to take the point of intersection? Simply taking the equations fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0 and doing the point of intersection. What is fx is equal to 0? Differentiating this equation partially, that is x square derivative 2x, 2xy derivative only 2y, x derivative 1 here, y is the constant, that is plus 2y, y square constant derivative 0, minus 4x derivative minus 4 equal to 0. Y is the constant. When we are taking the derivative with respect to x, then we consider y as the constant. Next, fy is equal to 0. Fy is doing the derivative with respect to y. So, x square derivative 0, 2xy derivative, y derivative 1, that is 2x minus 70y. This is 0, this is plus 44, last value equal to 0. Okay, these are the equations which implies, so taking the subtraction, 2x minus 70y plus 44 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now doing the subtractions here, minus minus plus, so this is minus 72y is equal to minus 48, then the value of y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, y is equal to 2 by 3. Now replacing that value here, that is 2x plus 4 by 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is 2x is equal to 4 minus 4 by 3. That is 2x is equal to 8 by 3. Then x is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, point of intersection is equal to 4 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Now, what is the given question? Perpendicular distance from this point to the given line. That is 5x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. First, I substitute this point here. Then we get 20 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. That is, the point lies on the line, means perpendicular distance is equal to 0. Okay, the point lies on the line, that is perpendicular distance is equal to 0. That's all. And that is the first option. Next question, sum number 55. The intercepts made by the pair of lines on the x-axis. Intercepts made by the pair of lines 6x square minus 7xy minus 3y square minus 24x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0 on the x-axis. That is x-intercept. X-intercept of the pair of lines. What is the formula for x-intercept? 2 root g square minus ac by mod e. Okay, this is the formula for finding the x-intercept. The x-intercept made by the lines on the x-axis. The intercepts made by the line on the x-axis, which are nothing but the x-intercepts. This is the formula. Now replacing the values. What is g value? G is equal to minus 12. G square is equal to 144. Minus ac. 6 into 18 is equals to 108 by mod e. That is equals to 6 here. Now this is equals to 2 into square root of 36 by 36. Now 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So answer is equal to 2. And that is the first option. Next question, sum number 56. The intercepts made by the pair of lines on the y-axis is equals to. So y-intercepts of the lines. Y-intercept is equal to formula 2 root f square minus bc by mod b. Okay. The intercepts made by the pair of lines on the y-axis. So this is the formula. Now replacing the values, 2 root f square minus bc, f is equal to 7 by 2, 7 by 2 whole square, 49 by 4 minus bc, minus 8 into 1 plus 8, that is plus 8 by mod b is equals to 8. Now this is equals to 2 into square root of 48 plus 32 is equals to 81 by 2 by 8. So answer is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, that is the second option. Next question, sum number 57. The figure formed by the four lines 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 and 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square minus 28x minus 28y plus 49 is equal to 0. Now what is the figure formed by these lines? So first see here, what are the values of the a comma b? A is equal to 3, b is equal to 3. That is, a plus b is not equals to 0. A plus b is not equal to 0 means either it is the rhombus or parallelogram. Okay. If a plus b is equal to 0, then that is either square or rectangle, but this value not equal to 0. So the given figure is either rhombus or parallelogram. Now we have to check the second condition. What is the second condition? A minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square. Okay. If this value is equal to 0 means all sides are equal, that becomes a rhombus. If this value not equal to 0 means all sides are not equal and this is parallelogram. Okay. So here replacing the values. What is a minus b? 3 minus 3. That is 0 means first value 0. H into h value 10 by 2. That is 5 into f square minus g square, 14 square minus 14 square, that is equal to 0. Yes, this value is equal to 0. So this value is equal to 0 means given lines form a rhombus. If value not equals to 0, then that is parallelogram. If this value is equal to 0, then that is the rhombus. Okay. Next question, sum number 58. The quadrilateral formed by the pair of lines xy plus x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and xy plus 3x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the quadrilateral formed by the given lines? Okay, very easy question. First, just taking the splitting of the equation. What are the lines represented by the first equation? X plus 1 into y plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 is equal to 0, y plus 1 is equal to 0. And what are the lines represented by this equation? X plus 3 into y plus 3. First equation x plus 3 is equal to 0. Second equation y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now what are the lines? Suppose this is the first line, this is the second line. This is x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the parallel line, x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is y plus 3 is equal to 0. That is, so observe here, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. These are perpendicular, these are perpendicular, these are perpendicular. That is, angle between every two adjacent sides is equal to 90 degrees. Means it is either rectangle or square. Angles is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now say the perpendicular distance. What is the distance between these two? 2 by root 1. That is 2. What is the distance between these two? Y plus 1, y plus 3. Distance is equal to 2. That is, distances are equal means all sides are equal. So, all sides are equal and angle is equal to 90 degrees. So, this is a square. So, given lines form a square. So, this is a square. Given lines form a square. Since every two lines are perpendicular to each other, every two adjacent sides are perpendicular to each other and all sides are equal. So, the given lines form a square and that is the last option.